For anyone who has been experiencing compression in their low back or tightness in the hips, child's pose is a very common and easy exercise for you to do to create space in your body. My name is Dr. Jordan Fairley, and I'm going to show you a couple variations of how you can really maximize child's pose to make it even better for you. So in this position, I'm going to start on my knees, and we're going to start with our legs spread out wide, and the feet can come together. So this is going to create external rotation of our hips, and then in this position, you're going to send your butt back as your hands reach forward. In this position, I'm going to try to continue to get my pubic bone close to the ground as my knees can spread wide, which creates space for my sacrum. I'm going to allow my hands to come even further forward as my hips come back. And then in this position, we want to really start to utilize breath to create space in your body. So I've already maximized how far I can go, but now I can breathe into my body here, into my sides, and also into my belly to create even more space. So big breath in, maintain that space, and then reach your hands even further forward. Big breath in, create space, reach your hips further back, and feel that stretch. In this position, I can maximize this stretch in my lats here even more by reaching my hands forward, taking a breath in, and then as I breathe out, I can pull my hands towards my belly button, which engages the lats, and I'll feel an even deeper stretch all the way down the side of my body. So big breath in, create space, reach the hands forward, and then pull the hands towards your belly button. I love this stretch for even getting more between the shoulder blades in a crisscross pattern. So how you can do that is reach one hand, palm up under your other hand, and then as you exhale, you're gonna sit back into the opposite hip. So, into the same arm hip. So palm up, reaches to the left as I reach my hips back to the right. And then I can alternate, palm down, left hand, palm up, reach through that right arm. As I exhale, I can sit back into the left side of my hip. And as I extend here, as I stretch, I not only feel it in my lat, but I also feel a crisscross coming down through my rhomboids between the shoulder blades. So that's how you can utilize child's pose to create space in your low back, to create space in your hips, but also to utilize breath to create more space in your lats as well as between your shoulders. I hope you found this valuable. This is something I personally do every single morning as I start to get ready for the day by increasing the mobility of my spine. Again, my name is Dr. Jordan Fairley here at The Source Chiropractic, and I hope that you find that this is helpful for empowering your health.